So I have my to-do list right here. Today is Monday, so I edited my photos already, posted my photos, style outfits, which I'm actually doing right now. And I have to do IG Reels. I have total of IG Reels that I have to put together. As you guys can see, the first one is the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You guys probably have seen that video all over TikTok and Instagram. And number 2 is gonna be 3 outfit ideas. I don't have any song right now at the moment, but I know I can find it super easy on TikTok. And then this one, on the last one, is gonna be Nothing Can Stop Me. So the song is Nothing Can Stop Me, I'm all the way up. So it'll be just one outfit. Obviously I'm gonna start from like wearing my PJs, and then it'll change outfits and stuff like that. So things that I have to get from my other apartment, because as you guys can see, this is not my original apartment. I have to go to my original apartment and go get my clothes, because I have clothes up there. So I have a total of 7 outfits that I have to put together. As you guys can see here, I am just preparing my shoes. All of my shoes are not in here, so just wanted to show you guys my new cup. So this one, my boyfriend actually bought it for me because I've been dying to get one so bad, and I've been crying over it like crazy. So now I finally have my own pair. I'm really excited. Thank you so much, babe. Really appreciate your support and for believing in me. And you know, I'm not gonna be rocking this like every other girl out there. That's, you know, it's just not me. I wear my shoes only whenever I have to do a photo shoot. And also shout out to my bro from copying the shoes for me. This is the Oreo shoes, Jordan 4. I am in love with it because, guys, I've been wearing my off-white like crazy whenever I go to events, and I just kind of need something to just switch it up real quick, so that way I don't have to wear my off-whites like crazy because it's gonna get dirty. So that's why I needed this. I will definitely do a video on this if you guys want to see how I style these. And if you guys want to see how I style my Yeezy slides, do let me know. I actually have another pair that my boyfriend bought for me. It's the orange one, so I'm really excited to actually get them so I can finally do a video on that. And my orange dunks, I know that I have to do a style video for this one because this is actually my favorite color right now. As you guys can see, I did my nails orange because of my shoes. So yeah, I have a total of 3 pairs of shoes that I'm really digging right now at the moment. So yeah, I'm just prepping my stuff. I will be right back and show you guys the process. Since I'm going to my other apartment, I have to take a picture. Why is it blurry? So I don't forget, so I don't have to bring my notebook.
So where are you going right now, babe?
I'm going to my other apartment to go get my clothes.
And why do you have to go there?
Because we are currently at our temporary place because our apartment got flooded.
Dun, dun, dun. Okay,
And we've been here for 2 months.
let's go.
Look at that. You know what I love about threaded grills is that they come correct, and I have plenty of clothes to choose from to style my outfits. The things that I ended up picking out is this Giants, this Think Big Giants, because it has an orange hint on it. And then I got this $19.99 Final Four Ohio State University shirt. Last one would be this Taz right here. Love it. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Alright, so I just got back from my other apartment, and I just wanted to show you guys what came in just now, literally right when I got out of my apartment. The mailman came and we were like, can't tell you guys my apartment number, but yeah, basically he was like, yeah, this is for you. Here she is. Okay, we got a brown varsity jacket from Boom Man. Love that. I already have an idea how I am going to style this, and have a pair of jeans here. So I'm just putting the outfit together. So I'm wearing this shirt from Threaded Grill, sweatpants. I think I got it from PLT a long time ago. And then I'm wearing my Air Force. And what I normally do when I style my outfits, I normally just take pictures on my phone. Just like that. So that way I know exactly when I need, you know, what I need to put on my clothes, and I don't forget any accessories or hats, sunglasses, jewelries, or anything like that. So that's what it comes down when it comes to styling my outfits. You gotta be prepared, yo. Like, do not come and like half-ass your work. Like, you really gotta do 100% and do not cheat on it, because the moment you see the result and you're not happy with it, just know, because you half-ass your work. You really gotta put in the work if you really want the result for it. So here's what I'm doing. Make sure I don't forget my socks. I have some socks that I put together too as well, so that way, normally my socks, I wear Nike socks most of the time, like white socks, but I have black socks that I can use too as well. But for most of my outfits today, I'm gonna wear white socks. So here's the first outfit that I put together. I'm gonna change into this one. Right now we are basically rushing because it's 12:35 and I still have to put on my makeup. And by the time, you know, the sun's gonna go down and then it gets dark by 7, I have enough time, but I just want to make sure I get the best lighting. So, ooh, I like this fit too as well, but time to change my bottom real quick, so I'll be right back. Alright, now that I have all of my outfits together, time to just hang them up. Shout out to my boyfriend for bringing this all the way from my apartment. Really appreciate it. Your
Hard work.
initiative and hard work and the effort you put into this not getting noticed. I just want to appreciate it. Alright guys, I am ready to get ready. I'm in the middle of doing my makeup. Just washed my face. Now I just have to do my eyebrows, put on my foundation, lashes and everything, so we look well put together, or else we will look like shit. So I'm over here, up here right now, just about to do my makeup. Normally it takes me like 2 hours to get ready, but I'm gonna see how long I can get ready by. Probably within an hour I'll be able to get ready, just because, yeah, it should be easy. I'm not gonna go crazy on my makeup today. You know, my everyday makeup routine. If you guys do want to see a makeup everyday routine from me, do let me know so I can make a video for you guys. So yeah, let's get this makeup going. I'm over here getting ready right now. Didn't ask for anything, but my boo thing decided to take the initiative and help me out. Look at him. If your man ain't doing this for you, is it really your man? Look at him. Look at the effort. Look at the effort. I have my boyfriend over here. What you doing, babe?
I'm just steaming the clothes, prepping for her shoot. That way she looks fresh and not all crinkly.
We have Boohoo Man. Everything else is Threaded Grills. This one's from Vanity Peen. Shout out to them. This one is from, where's this from again, babe?
It's from the artist St. John.
St. John.
His brand is
What is it called again? So let's look
Christian
up.
Sex Club.
Yes, Christian Sex Club. And everything else is basically Threaded Grills. This one I got it from a flea market in Melrose. This one's from PLT. This one was thrifted, Calvin Klein's, and then also this one is from Jaded London. Everything else, all the shirts that I have here is basically from Threaded Grails. Alright, so I have my setup ready. I'm gonna be right here. And then my phone's gonna be here. I'm gonna be recording all of my IG reels on my phone just because iPhone quality just looks so much better. So I'm gonna use this background. I'm about to put on my socks. And babe's gonna try and help me out, right babe? Let's do it. Before I shoot my video, I have to practice first. So I'm gonna be like, nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
Nancy.
Alright guys, time to go change my outfit. I'm actually done with the first IG reel that we just did. Now I am moving on to the second IG reel, which is the orange outfit. Three outfits that you can style orange.
Before you take your clothes off, we need a thumbnail.
Oh yeah.
See where I'm going? Boy, really need to remember this shit.
I'm glad that he remembered because I totally forgot. I'm about to shoot the second IG reel. This one is gonna be how to style orange 3 different ways. So I have my orange dunks, wearing this threaded grills that has this little orange red hint on it, and I'm wearing this Calvin Klein jeans that I got from the thrift store. So I'm just putting everything on together. About to shoot again. This is the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday one, so let's go.
Wipe whatever that white thing is on your leg on the right side.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching my vlog video. If you guys want to see more vlog from me, then make sure you guys subscribe to your girl, like this video, comment down below, and let me know what kind of vlogs you guys want to see. It could be a day in the life with Mscrisssy, or it could be a behind the scene of Mscrisssy, or travel vlogs. Just do let me know down below. I know I keep asking you guys about this, but I just want to make sure that you guys are getting the right content and it doesn't go anywhere else. And make sure you guys turn your post notification on because your girl will be uploading every week now. I know that I've been gone for a few weeks just because I'm still dealing with my apartment situation. If you guys don't know, my apartment got flooded water damage everywhere, and so they had to move us into a different unit for us to stay. I've been here for 2 months, so yeah, my new apartment, I've only had it for like 2 weeks, and boom, water everywhere. Waterfall was flowing down my ceiling. And so yeah, here we are. But guess what? I am grateful that I still woke up today, and I'm grateful that I have roof over my head, and I still have my family and friends healthy, and we're all good. So that's all that matters. We're just gonna have to adjust to it and adapt to it. That's all that I can do at this point, and just face it. You know what I'm saying? For a few days, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was going through it. I was like, ooh, girl was depressed, girl was stressed. But I went to Josh Street. I went there like a few times with my friends. And so yeah, here we go. She's back in action, and she's putting out some content for you guys. So it would truly mean a lot to me if you guys do follow your girl, subscribe to me, and follow me on my Instagram if you guys want to see more fashion links. But yeah, guys, I'm about to shoot one outfit outside so I can be done for today. And yeah, that'll be it for this vlog. If you guys want to see more, then let me know. And this is Chrissy. I am out. Bye, guys.